Okay, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we do healthier family meals fast. So, guys, if you haven't liked or followed the Facebook page, make sure you do that. We go live every weeknight, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on Facebook. YouTube, you can get me at the Skinny Guinea. Instagram, I'm the Skinny Guinea Chef. And as always, get me on the blog, www.cookingwiththeskinnyguinea.com. Okay, we got a great meal tonight, guys. A quick one and a fun one, and one that's simple to cook. I want to give a shout out to my friend Jen for sending me this recipe, and it was like right up my alley on a Tuesday, right? So we are doing quick and easy shredded chicken enchiladas with some vegetables, and we're going to garnish it with a little bit of cilantro. We're going to put a little sauce in there. We got a little avocado, a little garlic. So we're going to do it up nice. We're going to do it up right, and we're going to do it up nice and easy, which is exactly what I want. Sounds like her kids gave her 1.5 thumbs up. She gave it 2, so I'm super excited to cook this meal. I love enchiladas. What's not to love about them? They're, you know, filled with chicken and vegetables. They're loaded with, covered with shredded cheese and all that good stuff. So we're going to be doing that tonight. Say hi.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, now she's like, oh, like Miss Tenderfoot, you know? Where have you washed your hands since you've been outside in the garden? Then why are you putting it in my chicken?
Because we're all family here.
Let's get to cooking, all right? So you know what I love about this recipe is that it already calls for shredded chicken. So that's exactly what I got. I got shredded chicken. Now, I did go rotisserie style again, right? Because it just literally falls right off the bone. It's been a while since I went with the rotisserie chicken, but on where it calls for pre-cooked shredded chicken, instead of me cooking the chicken, sometimes I will just get that rotisserie chicken, shred it up nice, okay? Take all the meat off of the, you know, the wings and the thighs and the breast and all that stuff, and get a nice shredded chicken. Now, I got a lot, okay? But here's my thought process around this. Leftovers. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, because I got a lot of chicken. We got some vegetables here, like I said, and we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy going right now. This is a quick meal, guys. This is not going to take a lot of time. All right, so I got some olive oil in a pan here. I'm just going to turn it up to medium heat. I have some yellow squash, some green zucchini, and some onions, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and dump those in right now. So I'm just going to hit this with a little bit of salt and pepper. All right, we're going to start to cook these vegetables up until they get nice and soft. If you need to add a little bit more olive oil to these vegetables, have at it. And I think I'm going to right now. So I'm just going to sort of hit this. A little bit more olive oil. All right. Gonna cook these for a couple of minutes till they're nice and soft. Just got these cilantro leaves here that I'm just sort of breaking off. You could do it with the stem too. That's fine. But I'm just taking the leaves off here. Okay, just a few of these. So we got the zucchini, the squash, and the onions cooking up right now in the pan. Okay, we got some Colby Jack cheese that we're going to be using tonight. Got our chicken. Got some salsa, got an avocado. What we're going to do is we're going to put the broiler, we're going to knock over our salt and pepper, and then we're going to put the broiler on in a couple of minutes. Now, I have baking dishes here. All right, I got some regular flour tortillas, and then I got the whole wheat flour tortillas, okay? A couple small cloves that I had, 3 or 4 small cloves. It's fine by me. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my chicken. I don't know if I'm gonna fit all this chicken, to tell you the truth, and some cheese. Okay. Open that cheese there. Good, good, good. Okay, these are nice now. I think we are ready to add the chicken. Nice. Okay, some chicken. Little cheese. Okay, and I think, so what I am gonna do, I almost forgot, is I'm gonna take some of this chicken and leave it aside for the girls so that they can have their enchiladas, okay? So I'm gonna add the rest of this now because me and Michelle are, she's always hungry, this one. Little salt, because you gotta remember that rotisserie chicken, it's like, there's no skin on this now, right? So when you get into the inside, it's not as salty as if you were eating the skin. There is no skin on this. Okay, so a little salt and a little pepper. Okay, and we're just gonna go ahead and mix this up. I could probably add a little bit more cheese if I need to. Should have probably added a little bit more vegetable just to get the ratio a little better, but that's okay. Okay, so we're just gonna get this warm, get this cheese a little melted here. Gonna add a little bit more. Okay, just a little bit, because we're gonna top it with some more cheese too. Okay, and I got that Colby Jack cheese again. Okay, now if you want to add a little bit of water, you can add a little bit of water or some chicken broth. I don't want to do that because I think we're going to be just fine here. Okay, we're just looking to warm this up now. Okay, so while this is sort of warming up and getting ready, we are going to, just going to drop this heat a little bit. Okay. Baking dishes. Okay, just a little bit on the side there. Now the other thing I'm going to do is, this doesn't give me any, how many are the kids going to eat? I want to warm these up a little bit. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. First I'm going to give my chicken mixture a little mix here. I'm going to take four of these, just sort of throw those down. I'm going to put a little bit of water, okay, on the paper towel. No. Okay, I'm just going to throw, hey, get down. Just going to throw these in the microwave for 30 seconds. I think I'll do 4 of these, because I know Morgan's definitely going to have 2. I'm going to pack these pretty big. Morgan will probably have 2. Okay. Now I'm going to put these other ones in for the girls. I'm going to do 45 seconds. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start filling these. Okay, and just sort of wrap these here. Okay, I'm going to place them seam side down. I'm going to put my broiler on. Lower oven, convection broil. Start, make sure nothing's in there. No, okay, good. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to wait on the kids for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this with salsa now. Mild salsa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover these. They look like little meneguts. Get one side here with the salsa on there. Oh, that's a lot of cheese. Holy cow, babe. I went a little crazy with the cheese. We're gonna go ahead and whack these in the broiler for 2 minutes or so. Why can't I have a steady hand here? There we go. Hey, Snickers, what do you think, huh? All right, and we're gonna keep an eye on these, okay? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna keep an eye on those. I'm gonna get my gloves. I'm gonna get some plates. Look at this. This is it's like perfect. Okay, I got my cilantro ready. Okay, we're gonna cut this avocado. Okay. You see in there? Perfect. Nice and toasty. Oh, they smell delicious. We're gonna take these out. Yes. Yeah. All right. Perfect. Okay, nice and cheesy on the top there. Okay, you can see that. Nice and cheesy on the top. Take my spatula here and we'll go ahead and get the shell, one of these nice enchiladas. First, let me take a picture because this is nice because I am getting the blog back up and running. Okay, nice picture there. Perfect. Okay, very nice. Come on, babe, let's eat. Okay, so just gonna hit this a little bit. Just sort of sprinkle this on top for her. Okay, if you can see that. I think you can. So we got that, okay? Little avocado there for her, and we're gonna hit this with a little bit of cilantro. Okay, and there we have it. Okay, so here we go. Babe, come on, let's eat. Okay? Here, no, don't do that. Don't do that. No, don't. You're such a pain in my ass.
I love avocado. Hard to pick it up with your hand because it's a little wet on the bottom.
Yeah, it's an enchilada. You could use the fork that I gave you. I can't wait to eat. I'm starving.
No.
Oh, you took all my avocado? All of it?
I thought it was extra.
It's just a little taste. I mean, I got some here, but
You got a whole rest of avocado.
half of one. You don't know what we're talking.
As soon as I'm done.
Yeah, Jen, had a girl. Thank you, Jen, for the recipe.
For washroom?
Yes, she told me not to forget the cilantro, which I didn't. Usually I do forget something, but
Why use the avocado
this time,
pip?
yeah. So that's it, guys. We're done. And that's an easy dish, obviously. Jen, thank you again for the recommendation. Yours looks like it turned out better than mine. That's it, guys. We're out of here. I'm going to go ahead and get this rest of this avocado ready because Michelle decided to eat all the avocado that I did prepare.
It was just out. I thought it was extra.
It's my fault.
That was your fault.
Cook with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast. Even in the kitchen.